Land grown moss. And I'm like growing different plants on it and stuff like that. See?
Wow. And how do you grow new plants?
You mean how do you grow?
Do you like just seed it? Do you just put a seed there?
Oh no, like they're from my aquarium. Like this is a sort of plant that grows underwater.
Oh, you'll just like take it from the aquarium and just put it there, plug it there.
Yeah, but if you see like this leaf here, this used to be like the water grown leaf and it's dying because it can't live in air. But the plant's actually giving off like what's called immersed growth.
Alright, haven't caught up with my uncle in a while. Got some pizzas. Look at his fish tanks. Pretty cool. He's really into aquariums and stuff. But yeah, gonna have a chill afternoon. Alright, so got the first meal prep package as I promised. You know, the moment I sort of mastered cooking, or like, you know, cooking is sort of very inefficient. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with hybrid, where I'm gonna cook on the days where I'm just super busy and I don't have any leftovers left. I'm just gonna eat out of this. Let's see what it is, and I think this hybrid option is probably like a good start. Plus, it's probably the most like affordable way, because yes, I could just get a bunch of instant noodles, microwave food, but it's not gonna be as healthy as this. And you know, there's just days where I just have meetings all day and I need to eat quickly and I just don't have time to cook and there's no leftovers. That's where this can come in really handy. Oh, this is super cool. Yeah, check this out. Comes in this sort of thingy and there's like a bunch of food. Wow, what the hell? Oh, this is ice packs. This is cool. Alright, let me take everything out. This was all in total. I think full price is around 90 bucks or something. But I had like a $20 off coupon, so I brought it down to 70 delivered. Nice. Got some peppercorn and steak. Very cool. Yeah, these all can be frozen. I'm just gonna freeze everything because I want it to last. Got some tacos. Cool. Yeah, everything can be frozen, and these are like, I could tell it just feels, I'm pretty sure like these stuff are just way healthier than frozen meals. Sweet potato bake. Got some nut bars. I bought a lot of nut bars because these are very good for afternoon snacks. Imagine I just had to cook some today. I might have time. Actually, no, today I will have time for lunch. Mashed potato peas. Sweet mashed potato. These are very high in like calories. Dude, I set up a chart where I ordered everything that was like very cost efficient, meaning like I just sort it by dollar per calorie. So all these stuff, it's like a cent per calorie. The meals, these ones are probably around 2 to 3 cents per calorie, and the majority of the other food is like probably like 5 cents per calorie. But like, nice. Got some stir fry noodles, some butter chicken tofu. This is a lot actually. Like this is gonna last me a long time. Some more. These are very high. These are like half a cent per calorie, I think. These are very efficient. Ooh, got some lemon garlic chicken and potato. Nice. Got this. And then I got this. Got some butter chicken. So stuff like this, I could literally just eat it with rice, and rice is super easy and quick to make. And then kidney bean mix. That's super cool. So I'm gonna put everything in the refrigerator, freeze it all, because I have a lot of food and I have a lot of leftovers. And I'll be focused. I'll still be focused on cooking, but it's just when, I don't know, when it's just a busy time and I just don't have any leftovers left, then I'll go ahead and take out one of these babies, microwave it, and eat it. You know what, guys? I'm gonna stop stressing out. I'm gonna stop stressing about money. I'm gonna just chill. The months where I've been the most chill and I haven't really thought or cared about money at all, those were my best months. Yes, I'm gonna still track it like crazy and sort of know when I'm in a loss and sort of try to sort of bring money together, but I'm not gonna stress. Like I've always been stressed every time I've seen the monthly cash flow being negative. And you know what? I'm not gonna stress about it anymore. It is what it is. I'm just gonna try my best every day. I'm gonna have fun and not gonna worry about this. Also, things that happen, like for example, talk with my accountant, all that stuff, like it happened. There's not much I can do. I just have to wait for the invoice and then deal with it there. Like, I can't stress about all these things, and all this thinking is really weighing me down, and I just have to let it go. Know that I'm in a good spot. If I go to 0, which is most likely not gonna happen, it's gonna be fine. Like, like with my reserves and my buffers, like, I'm not gonna go to 0. I don't know why I'm stressing. Like, yeah, I just need to let everything go. And I think this is a great period mode. Like, this burnout, every single time I burn out, I hit like a low point where I'm like, this shit, why am I like struggling so hard? Like, I'm just gonna let go. And sometimes it goes down a bit more, and it dips back up. And I think that's, each time I burn out, I learn a huge concept. And I think this concept is like not caring about things, just like, if I have anything on my mind, say it straight away, don't procrastinate on it. And with cash flow, and if it's negative, it's fine. You know, I shouldn't be stressing. It is what it is, there's nothing I can do. I just, no need to stress. Just posted a video on Instagram. Now I have a live mastermind call. We've got some paper to write out everyone's name. I'm gonna go ahead and start it. Take off my hat. Yeah, that's better. Hair's pretty decent. And I'm gonna go ahead and start it. Awesome. Alright, let's get started. We'll jump straight into you, John, I guess.
Free for all sort of strategy, and everyone can jump.
Amazing session, answered everyone's questions. Now Mark is taking over, so everyone gets an extra half an hour to an hour. Sometimes Mark stays on for 2 friggin' hours. But yeah, very happy how it turned out. Answered a lot of questions, a lot of satisfied students, and yeah, that is the update. And then obviously we're planning to get 7 of these freaking mastermind calls, basically 1 every single day. That's the plan. We're gonna work on a sustainable system to do so. But yeah, and now I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some food. Great productive day today. Slowed down a bit because those meetings really exhausted me out. So after lunch, I sort of just procrastinated. Also, my mum brought, you know, sort of massive extra dinner. Had to eat that. Watched some Billions. Loved it. Ended up watching the whole 45-minute episode, which was bad. But just finished my own routine. Now I have to go ahead and reply to all my student messages because I want to get them their answers ASAP. 10 p.m. I'm going to try and knock out early. Yeah, amazing day. I feel really recovered, and then, you know, after Saturday I'm going to have Sunday off, and then next weekend I'm going to the snow, so I'm very excited for that holiday. Being crammed and cooped up inside this office since the COVID situation started, so I'm very excited to go to snow. I just need to lock in some tickets, so hopefully I get that. Because right now they release tickets slowly and they sell out fast. So hopefully I'm able to lock in some tickets, because if not, that's gonna suck. But yeah, gonna have an early night today, and yeah, that's the end of today. I'm feeling better, energy is getting back, the burnout is getting released. Like, I'm so happy that I'm finally able to feel happy emotions. I'm not as triggered, like, things are going freaking well. Peace. Alright, let's recap on last night. So last night, got some work done. I procrastinated after afternoon. After lunch, I couldn't get much done. But went to dinner, caught up with uni friends, great catch up. Went home, watched a movie, slept at 1 a.m. And then today's Sunday, and I got out of bed around 9:30, did some washing, washed some clothes, had a nice warm shower, and had some breakfast. And I might mow the lawn maybe. Should I? Because I just got showered. Usually I like to mow the lawn before I get shower. Yeah, I'll probably pass on that because I'm all clean now. Probably make some curry. Like, I have a lot of pumpkins, so I could make that. That'll take a while to make. Also, tonight I'm gonna catch up with my uncle. Yeah, I'm just gonna take today chill. Like last week, I think another reason why I burnt out is because on my Sundays, I would spend time setting things up, such as replying to messages, messaging my team, checking up on things, and all those things didn't really allow me to just like let go on the Sunday. So I'm really gonna literally do no work today. I might even take a nap now because I'm pretty tired. Yeah, I think I might take a nap. Yeah, I'll take a nap. Peace. Alright, so I've just been doing some chores, cleaned up that like it's sparkling white now. Just clean up this sparkling white and just sort of trying to not do any work at all. Might make some curry now or something, but actually I'll make some pasta. I'm feeling like pasta. I haven't had pasta in a while. But yeah, just doing chores, redid my bed, washed all the bed sheets, so I'm gonna redo that. Yeah, I'm just setting things up for the next week, alley hooping, but at the same time not focusing on work and trying to really get my mind off things and just try to recover. I'm gonna hold off the cooking. I'm gonna go on a walk because the weather is absolutely beautiful. It's hard for you guys to see, but yeah, I'm gonna go on a walk. Haven't gone on a walk in a long time. Might not film a podcast. Actually I won't, because it's a Sunday. I'm gonna try to do nothing at all. So yeah, I'm gonna go on a walk now. Just got back from my uncle's house. It was a good catch up, learned a lot of things. He's always 10 steps ahead of me, and yeah, I learn a lot. His vocabulary, everything is just like way better than mine, and I burn out every time I come back. I'm like, I couldn't win any argument. I couldn't really stand my ground, because like we're talking about dollar cost averaging. We're talking about why right now things are up, and I'm thinking it's gonna dip, and his argument was like, how do you know it's gonna dip? Like, what if, like, why? Like, I couldn't answer. Like, yeah, it was a very interesting conversation. I learned a lot each time, and that's what I want to do. I just want to hang out with people that are just like much better than me and just learn from them. So I'm able, when I then hang out with like people that are at my level or like my age, because he's I think 30 years old, when I then hang out with people my age, it's like a walk in a park. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and do my end of day routine. I'm gonna plan tomorrow, set an alley hoop for Monday. I'm excited for Monday, excited for the things to come. Yeah, let me go ahead and plan my day.